Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a fantastic product to share that will save you energy, maintenance, cost, and provide a tailored lighting experience. It's the Tektron LED Garage Canopy Light. This incredible LED canopy light is flexible and efficient, saving up to 86% of energy and maintenance costs compared to traditional HID solutions. Just imagine the amount of money and resources you can save with this energy-saving powerhouse. One of the standout features of this light is its color and wattage selectable options. You can customize the LED light output to suit your project's needs perfectly. And with the 0 to 10 volt dimming control, you'll have precise lighting control like never before. You'll love the durable die-cast aluminum housing. It also has a photocell built-in option, a plug-in motion sensor, and a polycarbonate lens, ensuring optimal light distribution and durability. Installing these lights is a breeze. The various mounting options, including surface and pole pendant mounts, allow you to install them wherever you need. Regarding compliance, this light is IP65 rated, ensuring durability and resistance against dust and water ingress. This light is not just for a garage. Whether it's canopies, storage areas, gas stations, parking garages, or outdoor aisles, the Tektron Canopy has covered you. As always, Tektron offers peace of mind with their 5-year limited warranty. To find out more details, make sure to check out our warranty info. Visit us at 1580 Box Road, Duluth, Georgia, or at technoledlights.com. We hope you enjoyed this product detail video of our Tektron LED Garage Canopy Light. Remember to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more.